Hello everyone, welcome all of you to the YouTube channel of CS Shaikh. Hope you are doing well. Stay home, stay safe. Let's begin with the video. In this video, we are going to deal with MSc Semester 3rd CHA 392 Practice MCQ. We will come across some MCQs regarding mass spectrometry. As you all know, in 392 you have studied about GC, HPLC, LCMS, LC and also mass spectrometry. We will mainly deal with mass spectrometry. Let's begin with the first MCQ. Mass spectrometers are used to determine which of the following. Options are composition in sample, concentration of elements in sample, relative mass of atoms, properties of sample. As the name suggests, mass spectrometers. So, obviously, the main options A, B and D does not deal with the mass. So, your answer comes to be relative mass of atoms, that is option C. Next question is, who invented mass spectrometers? So it is very general question and all must know that who has invented. So it is none other than J.J. Thomson. Next question is, in mass spectrometer, the sample that has to be analyzed is bombarded with which of the following? Is it protons, electrons, neutrons or alpha particles? And the correct answer is your electrons. So you must remember, mass spectrometer means it is related to electrons. Next questions come out to be, mass spectrometer separates ion on the basis of which of the following? Now, while performing this analysis, on what basis do you separate out the ions? How does the peak gets separate out? For ethanol, you may get different peak, whereas for ethyl chloride, you may get different peak. Yes, we know that ethanol has OH group and ethyl chloride has chlorine as a functional group. But how can you distinguish? On basis of what? So the answer comes out to be mass to charge ratio. Answer is mass to charge ratio. Next question is, in mass spectrometer, the ions are sorted out in which of the following ways? And the correct answer is by accelerating them through electric and magnetic field. You must remember in this that both the field are very much important, electric and magnetic field. Sixth question is, no two molecules will be fragmented and ionized in exactly the same manner. Is it true or is it false? So the answer is true, that it is never possible that two molecules get fragmented in the same way and also get ionized in the same way. It is not possible. Okay, so the given is, they are saying in the question no, so the correct, it is true, the statement is true. Next is, the procedure for mass spectroscopy starts with which of the following processes? So see, all knows that there is a different way for each of the technique. How will you start in the mass spectrometry? Whether it will be sampling, whether directly the sample is bombarded by electron beam. So here are different options. Out of this, the correct answer is the sample is converted firstly into the gaseous state. For mass spectrometry, you must remember that the sample is converted into gaseous state. Next question is, in a mass spectrometer, the ion currents are measured using which of the following? Obviously, you know various types of detectors are used, different types of tubes can be used, and here the answer is electrometer tube. Very important question, students. Further, which of the following ions pairs through the slit and reach the collecting plate? Which of the following ions pass through the slit and reach the collecting plate? There are number of different ions producing in mass spectroscopy, but out of this, which will pass and will be collected? Okay, so the correct answer is positive ions of specific mass. Okay, Next and last question is, which of the following statement is not true about mass spectrometry? And the correct answer will be, impurities of masses different from the one being analyzed interferes with the result. This is not at all true. Means this one is the false question. And all other, it has great sensitivity. Obviously, mass spectrometry provides great sensitivity. It is suitable for data storage. Yes, it is suitable for library retrieval. So very thank you all of you students for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe with your friends, classmates and all others. Thank you so much.